Hi all, it's Josh. Hope you're having a fantastic time so far this week. With Lego Robotics, we're going to actually build two or three different designs. If you're a bit younger, you're going to be doing something called the Lego Boost. The Lego Boost is kind of a simpler design in order to put things together, and it's just a bit easier in a way. And then you've got something called Lego Mindstorm, which is something for the older ones. It's a bit more complex in the pieces, and it depends what you actually want to do. Okay, Lego Boost. Your challenge basically is to make a simple motor. Okay, you've got your sensors, you've got your different kind of motors, you've got motors built in, but you can also add additional motors. So I want you to build a simple car which has four wheels, so two on the side, two at the back, two at the front. That's for Lego Boost, and you can make it have different kind of designs on top, whether it's got little on it or if it's got more on it. Just depends what kind of design you want to go for. Lego Mindstorm, it's up to you what you want to do. You've got the thing in the middle, which is kind of that size. That's the brick, so that's the brain, so how it controls it. That needs to be the center part of your design, so it needs to be in the middle, and then you can extend to what you want to do. I would go the same thing, go with a basic car, and then we can extend with maybe a weapon attached to it, so we could have like a lever which we could control via a remote control, or we could actually potentially program that. There's loads of possibilities you can do with that. So just remember, Lego Boost is that kind of long, narrow brick, which is your brain, which is where you kind of program it in order to do things. And also Lego Mindstorm, it is the bigger one, which needs to be part of your sensor design, and have to have that balance of, you need to have the brick in the middle potentially, it depends what you're doing, if you're doing a car, a bit of stability, so building your underparts, putting your wheels on the motors, that kind of thing. And you've got, for the Lego Mindstorm, you've got the cables, and those cables go into the Ethernet ports and they go into the motor. You can have motors, you can have sensors. You do need a sensor for the remote control for the Lego Mindstorm, okay? Otherwise it won't work, a bit like a TV, because obviously it's an infrared. You'd use the remote control in order to control the TV. It's the same kind of thing. We need to have a sensor in order to communicate with the brick, in order to work with the remote control. Okay. Okay. So have a go, see how we get on. Okay. So just to recap, Lego Boost. Okay, you're going to have a go building a basic car. Okay, make sure you've got four wheels and design your front bits up top, and then also Lego Mindstorm. Also make sure your bricks in center, and then make sure you have wheels so your motors attached, and you put them in the Ethernet ports. You need to connect the two cables together. Okay, see what designs you can come up with first with the Lego, and then later on we'll have a go putting them, having the go trying to control them and move them. Okay, I'll catch up with you soon.